Hey everyone, welcome back or to my channel. I'm Lexus and this is Nom Nom to Fitness. Today I have another what I eat in a day video for you. So yeah, I'm just vlogging my day, basically filming what I eat. Gonna be working out today. I'm about to get on the treadmill. So let's get into it. Right now I'm about to grab like a breakfast bar or something, one of those fig bars I got yesterday. And then I'm going to hop on the treadmill because I can't just exercise on an empty stomach because then I feel sick. So I'm gonna have something. Good morning, Mr. Bentley. These are good. Okay, so I got my headphones on and I'm about to run on the treadmill for 15 minutes. Okay, I just got out of the shower and I'm hungry, so I'm about to make me some food. Da-da-da-da. So for lunch, I had some fish tacos. They were so delicious. I used these Gardein fishless filets. And I'm just putting them on a baking sheet. I made 3 because I ate 3 tacos. And I'm baking them according to the package. So I'm going to put some coleslaw on my fish tacos because they go very well together. So all you need is just 1 package of coleslaw. So now I'm going to season it with the Holy Trinity. Salt, pepper, and garlic powder. I'm just sprinkling it over, not measuring it. Now I'm adding the juice of 1 whole lemon. Normally I would add a lime, but I don't have any lime, so I'm going to use the lemon. Now I'm adding some vegan mayo. That was 2 tablespoons right there. Just gonna add mayonnaise as I go. So here I'm heating 3 corn tortillas. I didn't add any oil to the pan. I'm just gonna let it get warm. So once it's brown, once it starts to brown, then it's finished. I'm actually gonna add some of this cheese on the top and microwave it because everything's better with cheese. Vegan cheese, that is. So I'm just going to cut the fish fillet in half. It's nice and crispy. Now it's time for the fun part. I'm gonna add some guacamole to it. Some red onion. Actually, I'm not gonna add red onion because there's red onion in this corn that my mom made. It's cumin and paprika on it. Some cilantro, red onion. I'll add this recipe in the link below. I'm also gonna add a little bit of cilantro to the top. So I'm going to start by adding some guacamole. Now the fish fillet. Just add one at the top and one at the bottom. Like that. Adding some of the corn and onion mixture. This is going to be so good. Now our coleslaw. I'm just adding some cilantro to the top. And look at these fish tacos. Fully loaded fish tacos. Do these not look amazing? Okay, I'm excited to try these. Yum. Smells so good. That is good. Bomb. You gotta make these. My battery is low, so let me go change it and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. You gotta try these. My goodness. It doesn't need anything. Like, it's perfect just like this. I've been good with hot sauce though, but it doesn't need it. If you've never tried the gardein fish fillets, try them. I've never had a bad gardein product. It's so good. This is actually my mom's idea. She made the fish tacos with hearts of palm, which is a vegetable that tastes like fish. And I said I wanted to make it, so I used the fish fillets instead. Both good. Like, if you don't like guacamole, for whatever strange reason, you put tartar sauce and hot sauce. I'm gonna try it with hot sauce. See what it tastes like. A bit of red hot. Okay. I'm not just gonna stand here and eat the whole thing, so I will see you guys later. the face of guilt. My dog just ate my watermelon. Good thing I have another half. So my plan was to make dinner, but I ended up full from the fish tacos because I had a late start on breakfast, so I wasn't really that hungry. So I ended up finishing the day with some watermelon. So that ends this video. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I'm making the best beans ever with some cilantro lime rice. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.